Iron Trader. Now the pit's closed here at 2:30. That was about 15 minutes ago. So we're going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell a stock, commodity ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil daily chart. Now, nothing really has changed from this morning. Realistically, we had a low here of 84.69, which this is what we're looking for, 84.64. Very, very nice. And now we're closed right above this 85.01. 8 days moving up nice, 21 day moving up nice, 50 day just crossed the 200 day, moving up very, very nice, very, very bullish here. Okay, so what we have here is a bottoming tail now. Now, again, this is for Monday. Now, there was supposed to be some big brouhaha going on in the Middle East. Nothing really materialized, so crude sold off here, but actually it was a good buying opportunity here. I scalped the UCO twice already today, and I'm long right now. So I'm going to see how this is all going to shake out when those futures open here at 6 tonight, okay? So let's just look at the upside first. Well, what we want to do is we obviously want to look at today's high. You're looking at 87.10. We looked at this candle, 87.22. That was your resistance level. And then right there is your breakout at 87.63. Again, if we can get above all that here, then we come right up to these candles. You're looking at 87.75 here. We have 88.33, 88.57. 89.54, and this is what you're looking for right there is that 89.85. Now we can go to the left more and reverse. Basically, is 95 is what the target is. Let's just go one level at a time. The key is going to be a close above this 87.63. If you get that, then realistically, this is where you're going to be going. It's going to be that 89.85 level. Say, let's call it the 90 level because you could go just a hair past. Okay, so here on the downside, what we're watching. We have a close right now of 86. What do we have at? 86.57 we're sitting at. So we just follow these candles right on down. So we look at the low here. You're looking at 86 here, 32. We want to look to the top of this candle. You're looking at 86.20. Then we can do is we can come here to this candle. This is what we're looking for, that 84.64, which held up a nice double bottom situation here today. If that is lost, we'll come over to the top. You got 84.49. The bottom there is 83.85, but this is the candle we're looking for. This is your 83.21, and then we have your 83.12, and then right below we have your 21-day here at the 82.23. Now, again, what you always want to do when you look at these charts is always look to the left of the chart here, and then like this today was just a perfect opportunity with the 84.69 and the 84.64. So you had a double bottom with a higher low that tells you got to get in and you got to go long and scalp it long. So this is really, really good, easy trading right here. Now, your RSI here, you're above your 70 mark here, but then again, that can stay up there for quite a ways, and that's still very, very bullish. Your green over your red, that tells you that a good positive momentum there to the upside. So just watch the futures here when they open up at 6, and then watch today's high, which was basically 87.10, and the low was 84.69, and he closed at 86.57. So just watch those numbers. And that's it. If we exceed it, then we definitely want to test that. And then we want to come all the way up here to your 87.63. And then we can rip possibly all the way here to your right there, your 90 level. Okay. Again, if it sells off here, we watch the candles, but this is your key level, your 85.01. And then right below it is 82.23. So those are your key levels. We follow the candles all the way down until we get there because you never know where it stops, just like we had here. One just a little bit below the 8. But it held this with a nice higher low. Awesome. That's an easy trade. Okay, let's take a look here on the weekly and monthly. Okay, we're 8 days into the month here, and this is looking very, very bullish. See what I like about this? See how your green out right here? It's just about, yeah, they're touching each other now. But at just about here, if that can close back above here, this is what you get when you get that green over your red. Okay, look right there. That's what you get. Okay, so right now we're holding up here very, very nicely. You're holding that 8-day at 80.36. You're holding your 21-day 79.54. Very, very nice. And look at all the weekly candles here. So now we have plenty of time to go here in the week. We just started, but you got a really, really good bullish trend going up. And look at this W pattern here. That's happening. The same thing I showed you on the natural gas. When that breaks out, then she rips up much higher. RSI looking good, MACD looking good. So let's take a look here on a weekly chart. Okay, so what we have so far this week is we have it, what they call an inside week. Your high and your low so far is inside the previous week. But again, today's only Monday. We got 4 nice days left. Again, this is what we're looking for, that 87.63. You crack above that, and then here we are, 87.83. Then we're looking at 88.29, and there's the bad boy, that 89.85. Above that, we just follow it right on up. Okay, you got 91.23. You have 91.88, 92.43, and then this is what we're looking for, 95.03. Let's call it the 95 area, and let's just call this the 90 area. Okay, so we're looking for 90, and then we're looking for 95. Again, obviously, if it exceeds that, boom, you can go much higher. Now, again, oil's always going to be in play here because nothing's really settled in the Middle East. And it looks like they just took like a little break kind of a situation here. Now, your RSI here is still looking good. MACD, your green over red, shows you that you've got really good bullish momentum here. Very, very bullish stock. So what we want to watch here on the close for the week here is we really want to maintain this 82.63. We want to close above that. And obviously, we want to close above this 81.56. But even if we go sideways, this 8 day is going to keep right on moving up here nicely. And it's eventually going to cross this 100 SMA here, probably this week here. Going to look very, very bullish here on the chart. Look at that nice round bottom. Okay, let's take a look here on Netty Gas. Okay, natural gas, we have your daily and your weekly. Weekly, look at here. Nothing's really changed because except for the price is just a little bit higher. But look at this 8 SMA here now. She came down, flattened out. Now she wants to try to round right on up. Very, very nice. Had 3 red candles, and now this was your reversal candle. And then last week's candle, we had a nice higher high, higher low. Very, very nice. Now we got to see what we have here. So far, we have a nice higher low. So far for the week, you have 1.74. Last week, we had 1.70. Again, we got 4 days left here, so we got to see what's going to happen. But again, if we can get above this key level here, then this is going to be our target right there at that 2.0. And then we have some really, really nice levels here. Okay, so you got 2.22, you got 2.27, you got 2.25. So you got a lot of good area to run if you can keep rallying on up here. Now, your MACD, the green is about to cover over your red. That shows very, very bullish. Your RSI looking very, very strong. Very, very bullish here. Now, let's see what we have here. Hang on. Okay, so we have here on your daily chart. Friday, we had what they call like an indecision candle. Okay, so we had 2 red candles, and then we had this indecision looking candle. Now, again, today it held so far this 21 SMA here. And that is very, very bullish. If you watched the video this morning, I pointed out you need to get above this key 8 SMA at 1.80. And so far, yes, you are above. And you need to get above this 50-day, which is sitting at 1.824. Natural gas right now, real time, we're sitting at 1.846. So we're sitting very, very pretty. Now, the next level we're going to be looking at here on the upside is this 1.88. And then we're going to be looking here at 1.906. That's going to be very, very key. So just look at that price channel. That's where we're looking at. Now, again, price channels are not like the simple moving averages. This is just showing that can just blast up real quick, very, very easily. Not a problem, just like it came on down. So don't even worry about that. What we want to do is just look at that top of that candle is what we're looking for. Again, if we can go above that, we have a nice target, 1.955, 1.98, and then this one here, 2.0, that's what we're looking for right there. Okay, so right now here, your RSI looking good, plenty of room to run. Green over your red shows that you got good positive momentum to the upside, and we got a nice, good square box candle that's above your 50-day, your 8-day, and your 21-day. Very, very nice. Okay, on the downside, watch them futures at 6 p.m. tonight to see how everything's open. Okay, on the downside here, this is what you want to watch. You want to watch that 1.824. We want to maintain that. Right below it, we have that 1.80, and then we have this 21-day here at 1.747, and then obviously we have this 8 SMA at 1.741. So you got a lot of good support. You got the 50, the 8, the 21-day, and the 8 on the weekly. So a lot of really nice support here. So this was a really nice, good candle today. I made out really good in UNG there. I scalped it twice. I got 40 cents, and I'm long on the trade rate right now here. So I'm going to see on the third scalp, and I'm going to see what happens here at 6 o'clock when the futures get open up here. But right now, she looks very, very bullish. As long as you can maintain this 50 and this 8-day and that 21-day, she can go higher. Okay, let's take a look here at the hourly and the 4-hour. Okay, here we have your hourly chart. I pointed out this morning. See this W pattern? Very, very nice. Okay, see that? Very good. And once you break out of that candle, that center candle right there at 1.82, then she rips higher. Okay, so what you want to do is obviously just always look to the left of the chart. So right at that top of that is 1.85. And what do we get up to today? We got up to 1.85. Okay, see how that works? See? 1.852. What is this here? 1.85. Okay, see how that works? Now, next level here, we're going to go right up here, 1.857. That's going to be the next target. And then we're going to be looking here at that 1.88. And then we're going to be looking here at that 1.90 if she keeps going. This W pattern, always very bullish. Once you break out of that center, she can go really nice. Now, what we have to be concerned about is we want to go right to your left here. This is that 1.851 coming stretching right across here. Okay, this is very, very crucial because this is what you need to pop above. If you can pop above that, then these are easy beans. Okay, so just watch out on that here so we don't double top this bad boy and then come flying down here. If we do, watch this 8 SMA, 1.82, that hundo at 1.81, then we have your 200-day at 1.79, then we're running into all of this here at 1.78. But right now, she's looking very good. We've got to see after the futures open how she's going to trade. 4-hour chart here looking very good here because we got a low, higher low, higher low, and a higher low. So this is all looking really good. You just have to watch the candle on the left-hand side here, that 1.851. That's going to be very, very crucial. If we get above, then there we go. We know where we're going, 1.88. We know where we're going, 1.906. Okay, so natural gas, great trader today. Crude oil, great trader today. TQQ was a great trader today. Tesla was a great trader today. Just a lot of really, really good stuff out there here today. Now you see the market is pretty much overall flat. The Dow's up like 25, Nasdaq's down 27. So we got to see how it all shakes out tomorrow because she didn't have a really big run. However, a lot of times you get turned around Tuesday and she could scream up higher. Now remember, all the tech earnings are coming out. That's going to affect a lot of things. And always keep your eye on what's going on here in the Middle East. That's going to be very, very bullish there for the crude oil. Okay, one way or the other. Okay, that's what I got for you. I'll be back tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock. I'm going to do it all over again. All right. Thanks for watching.